Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I want to make a quick thank you card for one of my friends. And I had this set out making a birthday card, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use this. I love this little bear that's eating some honey. This is the Bitty Bears from My Favorite Things, and there's a cute little saying that says, "You are the sweetest." So I thought I'd use those. And then I also was using these scalloped rectangles, so I'm going to use these again as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock down so that it is an A2 sized card. So to do that, I'm going to cut it at 5.5, and then I'm going to score it at 4.25. I have some glue on my finger. It's making me, it feels funny when I'm trying to do my thing. So I scored at 4.25. And now this is an A2 sized card. And I want it to have a yellow background, and then I'm going to have a white background over that. So I'm going to cut this down at 4.25, and then I'm going to cut it at 5.5 as well. And then I'm just going to use one of those, and I'm going to use, I'll use one of these for my other thing. And then let's see, I also have an envelope over here, I think, that I want to stamp. Yes, okay. So I'll have that ready. All right, so I'm going to stamp that. I'm going to stamp the white, but I'm also going to do the scallops. So I want to do, I think, this scallop on the white, and then this scalloped on the yellow. So I'll get my big shot out. And I might be able to do them both at the same time. Excuse me. And my yellow. Oh, maybe I need to just put that up further. Like that. And then my yellow, I can do that one like that. Okay. That way I can use as little bit of cardstock as I can, and then I have, being frugal, I can use it for something else. Oh, unless that totally moved. Oh, no, it didn't. Okay. Whew. So, let me pull these off. And I'll clean that off in a little while. And then I just tear these off, and then I have this as extra. And same with this one, I'll do the same. Then I put this in my stash pile. And I'm going to do these on another piece that I can easily take to the trash can. I'm just going to put my rectangles back in their baggie so I won't lose them. Boop. And I'm going to take my tool here, my pointy tool, my paper piercer, and just get all of these things out. Some of you may be wondering why I'm not using the brush, and I do have the brush. I kind of like doing it this way because I'm kind of weird. It reminds me, it gives me the same effect as like popping the little bubbles from the bubble wrap. There we go. There there's that one. And then I will do this one. A lot of these have already come off, which is great. This is a thinner cardstock. I wonder if that's why. I don't know. I haven't done any tests on that or anything, so I can't really tell you that that's the conclusion, but it's a hypothesis for sure. All right, there's all those. So now I can take this to the trash and just dump it. Have a few that got out. My trash is just a Michael's bag that I'm using. Okay, so now I think my plan is to put this here like this here like this. I'm gonna just stamp my little bear here. And then on the inside I'm gonna put "You Are the Sweetest." And then I will stamp my little bear on the outside too. There, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to use just basic black ink. Stamp my bear in the middle. And over there. Scrub it off with my Stampin' Scrub. I have done some stamping today, so it should still be a little wet. Looks like it cleaned it okay. Put that back and get out my "You're the Sweetest." This bag. All right, drinking my coffee. And let's go ahead and do some gluing. Actually, I should probably do this first. Let's color it first. And I might just color them both the same. Why not? And let's see. I'm thinking I should use brown. So let me get out a piece of white. I'm digging in my trash. It's just paper. To see if I can find a white piece. Well, goodness. There's some white, but I have used a lot of it. I thought I just threw a little piece away. I know I did, but I don't know where it is. So I'm going to use this. That's a pretty good color. Actually, I kind of like that one too. Then I need like a honey color. That one might be too green, but I can't really tell yet. Let's see here. I think maybe I like, oh yeah, I like these two for the honey. And then I need the honey pot. Maybe I'll make that like a blue. That's a pretty color. Yeah, I think I'll do that. All right, so I'm going to take my lightest color and color the whole bear. It's kind of a taupe color. I'm even coloring his tongue. That's okay. I'll go over that with some pink. And I'm going to go ahead and do both of them. Sometimes what I like to do is put a piece of paper in the envelope to make sure that it doesn't bleed through. I don't know why I'm not doing that now. I really should. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's not, so that's good. So there's that one, and then I want the darker one. I'm taking the lighter one and just blending that all together. And I'm going to leave his snout the lighter color. He's pretty cute. Okay, so then I'm going to take the lighter one again. And this is probably where it will bleed through. If it's going to bleed through, this is where for sure. Hopefully it won't. I think it's trying to, just barely. And I'm going to take the lighter color and I'm just going to put a little bit of ground on here. So he's sitting on something. Then, let's see, I'm going to take a brighter red and do his little tongue. And this is a bright pink. Get his cheeks and his ears, like the inside of his ears. And then it gives it like just a hint of the pink. It's kind of cute. All right, so I think I'm done with those colors. Oh no, not the yellow. Okay, let's do the honey dripping. Not much honey there, so that's good. And this is the lighter of the two, so I'm going to color the whole pot with this light blue. There we go. I think that's cute. I'm wondering if I should do like a... Ooh, no, not that. Like a really light background behind the bear. I should take that light color and go all the way down, but I don't know. Okay, hopefully this is it. There we go. Then I'm going to take my black pen and just kind of outline him. There we go. Just going to put some on the back of this, and then put this down in the center of that one. And then I'll put this down in the center of the big card. Well, it's not really a big card, but you know what I mean. I do have a bow I could use, but sometimes this makes it harder to mail. You are the sweetest. I think I'll just leave it like this. I kind of like the simplicity of it. And then with the envelope decorated, I think that's cute. So hopefully you guys like it too. And that is the thank you card for my friend Linda. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.